Check this out, guys. Look at this. You need to see this right here. A gecko. Why? Because this car sticks to the road. This is coming to market in 2024 and its code name is Thunderball. Now check out what I've got in here. Look at what I've got in my bag. Ready? It is the key. Look at this. How cool is this? All right, come around the back. This is the V-Smon. Now we're going to open her up. Look at this. When it comes out, you're going to have space for 2 bits of luggage here. This is a handmade car in Germany. V-Smon, you've got to remember that name. Now come with me, more to show you. Ready? Getting close. Watch what happens when you open the door. Down here, down here, down here. It starts purple and blue, goes to bright red. And at night, looks amazing. This right here, check this out. This is a gun bolt to open the door. In the original cars, it was from an actual rifle. Now watch this. Okay, you got to go around the back. Ready? Ready? Go! How cool is that? You've got an F1 light in the back. I love this stuff. Now, you want to see what's under the hood? Bit of a surprise here. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Where is your engine? Not. This is a fully electric vehicle. Isn't it the sexiest fully EV you've ever seen? How cool is this? And it's got 680 horsepower. All right, let's close her up. You gotta see this. Come with me. Right. So your key goes right here. Little slot. How cool is that? Now you've got your 7 analog dials, just like in previous models, carbon fiber everywhere. And look at this. It's super, super quick. Head back. Watch this. Bam. And open. Watch again. So quick. This is limited to 1,000 pieces. No more than that. That's it. Okay, and you can order it in coupe as well. Right, should we go for a drive? This does something crazy. I'm going to show you this in just a second. Start her up, and here, change the drive mode to sport. All right, let's do this. I'm excited. All right. This right here is a previous model, the MF5, and that runs on petrol. Let's go. Check out these rims. 21-inch ultra lightweight carbon fiber made for racing. Right, let's go. I gotta wait for some bikes. We're in Europe. 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. Woo! Oh, this is fun, guys. It's fast. Beep, beep. Now these paddles right here, they are not for shifting, they're actually for braking. Look, you can choose your regenerative braking level higher or lower as you go around corners. New technology, I love that.